Supreme Court, and I'm hearing that all petitions have been rejected. We will just get you the latest from Supreme Court. We were expecting a verdict from the court. They were supposed to deliver a verdict on petitions seeking 100% matching of votes cast through EVMs and VVPATs. Now the Supreme Court has rejected all petitions. That's the breaking news coming in. Let's go across to Aishwarya for the latest. Aishwarya, what details can you share with us at the moment?
Well, that's the big update coming from the Supreme Court, that the petitions had been dismissed. It is the VVPAT with regards to the EVM return to ballot papers, voters to be given slips. It has been stated by the Supreme Court that they have rejected all the petitions regarding counting of 100% of the VVPAT. It has been also stated the directions on the completions of symbol unit should be kept in a sealed unit for 45 days. Remember, in the last hearing, it was the Supreme Court of India who asked clarity on whether, according to the section 50 of the Representation of People's Act, how much time duration an election plea can be filed. It was stated earlier by the Supreme Court that we were in the we were supposed to know that how much duration it was. We were in the sense that it was for almost 30 days, but later it was clarified that 45 days is the time period, then anyone can file an election plea, and therefore the reason perhaps in the observation today as well by the Supreme Court, it has been stated that for 45 days the election slip should be reserved, and from here on this is a big decision and observations from the Supreme Court. It has been also stated that we have given two directions. One direction is after the completion of symbol loading process, the symbol loading unit should be sealed. The SLU should be stored at least for a period of 45 days. Supreme Court has also stated that they had rejected plea for reverting to the paper ballot. Remember, there was one of the clear petition that was stated that whether India can return completely to the ballot papers or not. So it was stated that they have rejected this plea as well. Voters have no fundamental right to get his or her vote verified through VVPATs, that their vote has been recorded as cast and counted. That Supreme Court in its direction also stating, and Justice Khanna also stating that the burnt memory in the microcontroller EVM shall be checked by a team of engineers, and the declaration of results on request by candidates as far as serial number 2 and 3, such a request to be made within 7 days after the declaration of results. So an important one over here.
Crucial
as far
indeed.
as if anyone challenges the declaration, then it should be 7 days after the declaration of the results. That's also one of the major things. But biggest update so far from the Supreme Court, that ballot paper should not be considered, and that plea is also being rejected by the top court of the country.
Right, the Supreme Court has said that they've given two directions. One direction is after the completion of symbol loading process, the symbol loading unit should be sealed and the SLU should be stored at least for a period of 45 days, as my colleague Aishwarya is reporting. The Supreme Court has rejected all petitions regarding the counting of 100% VVPATs. In fact, take us through what happened in court and how they came to this conclusion. We were waiting to hear from them in the last two hearings, Aishwarya.
Well, certainly, it was a 2 days long hearing that went on in the Supreme Court, after which two-judge bench reserved its judgment. Of course, there was a clarity that was sought by the Supreme Court, and that was given by the Election Commission of India technical officer regarding the microcontrollers. That was a technical aspect that Supreme Court wanted to understand before the judgment is passed. But two very important observations today from the Supreme Court. One direction is after the completion of symbol loading process, the symbol loading unit should be sealed. The SLU should be stored for at least a period of 45 days. And that was also one of the observations that was made during the April 24th hearing, in which Supreme Court stated that SLU should be kept sealed, and that is under the jurisdiction of the Election Commission of India. The ECI, remember, informed the Supreme Court earlier that after the SLU process, they get these EVMs and VVPATs sealed under their jurisdiction, and only after they ask the registrars of different parts of the country from the High Courts that whether there is an election conviction plea filed in any part of the country. Only after that they can consume that EVMs or VVPATs for another use. Another